So if AI can already write SQL queries, summarize data, and build dashboards by itself, what else is there for data analysts to do? That's a great question. A lot of people are asking, will data analysts actually be replaced by AI? And my answer is kind of. There will be some data analysts that are replaced by AI, but there will also be some that are not. I'm gonna break this down in this video and kind of give you the differences between the two and how you could become a data analyst that is not going to be replaced by AI. Let's get into it. So you may be asking yourself, who is this guy? Well, hello, if this is your first time, my name is Zazo. I am currently a senior data analyst. I've been working in data analytics for 4 years at this point, and previously I worked in software engineering. So the first reason why data analysts will not be replaced is AI still hallucinates. AI is designed to kind of cater to most of the user's needs and wants. So in order to do that, if it can't find something that you need or want, sometimes it just makes it up just to satisfy what you asked. So this is very dangerous in analytics, and I'll tell you why. If you present, or if someone presents inaccurate metrics, or an AI presents inaccurate metrics, wrong financial numbers, or even misleading insights, that could cause the business to make decisions based off of that, which in turn can really hurt the business. This is where I see data analysts fitting in and kind of being on the more fact checking and validating the AI, because AI alone can't be trusted to make business decisions. So that's going to be the first thing. The next thing is AI cannot talk to your stakeholders. Here's a little secret, because if you didn't know, now you're about to know. Companies don't hire analysts for just knowing SQL and just being able to write SQL. They pay analysts to understand the business priorities and translate vague, ambiguous questions into measurable problems. So this is one thing that AI can't do. Well, not one thing, multiple things that AI can't do. AI cannot clarify ambiguous requests or unclear requests. It can't, and from what I've seen, it will not push back on realistic expectations. When I write stuff in AI, there's some things that I look back on now and I'm like, why would it give me this answer? If it were a person, I would have pushed back on myself, because this doesn't make sense. AI will not negotiate what actually matters, and AI can't do this, which is very, very important. It cannot build trust. So here's the next thing. AI can't empathize. And I'll give you a little take behind the scenes if you're not in data analytics. Analytics is emotional. Stakeholders a lot of the time want to feel heard and understood. So analysts, at least good analysts, the analysts that won't be replaced, are analysts read the tone, politics, and motivations behind these numbers that AI just can't see. Here's another one. AI cannot build relationships or adapt based on human context. Building relationships, especially in data analytics, is going to take you so far. And that comes with building trust, putting out good work. So now I'm going to give you the real value. These people or analysts that exceed at these things right here are the ones that will be around for a long time and that will not get replaced by AI. People that can frame a problem in a way that non-technical stakeholders can understand, being able to tell a story about the data. So data storytelling, communication in general, get better at your communication skills. Tasks are being offloaded to AI. So you don't want to just be task oriented. You want to work on your prioritization, influence, and your strategic thinking. This area right here is where the human or the analyst stays irreplaceable. The better you are at these things, the more value and impact you can have on the business. Therefore, you become indispensable. So this next thing is you're going to use AI to boost your technical skills, not replace them. A lot of people put something into the AI and treat it like a vending machine, copy and paste. That's not how you want to do it. You want to use it as an assistant. So it can generate SQL for you, or just clean up your SQL, or optimize a query that you may have, or any type of clean code. Have it automate repetitive tasks and explore different data sets. And it can explore or expose different things that you may have not seen on the first time. Let it explore the data set and give you some quick insights, and you go behind it and kind of validate that these are true and what else you can dig into. And this will make you faster. Even though a lot of people think this makes you obsolete, that's because a lot of people just copy and paste. So this is going to shift your role towards more of business impact, aka what actually matters no matter what field you are in. Business impact is the only thing that matters. And manual tasks are just a way of getting to business impact. Here's another thing that AI cannot do. AI cannot manage your projects for you. So AI cannot, know your timelines, coordinate teams together, align with stakeholders. Every analysis is part of a bigger initiative that requires scoping, planning, communication, and decision making, all things that you really can't outsource to AI. Analysts will manage end-to-end processes, and that's what will make them irreplaceable. So here's my final take on this whole thing. Will people be replaced by AI? Yes. Will data analysts be replaced by AI? Yes. Software engineers? Yes. But the ones who stay around will be the ones that just become elite at those soft skills. Communication, strategic thinking, business impact, empathy, and that are able to actually provide leadership. Things like those will never be able to really be replaced by AI, at least from how I see it. And they're always going to be a human touch that is needed. So the analysts that only do tasks, sorry to say, you'll be replaced. The ones who focus on these different things here will be around for a long time. So this is the end of the video. Love, peace, and chicken grease.